Every community has a story of challenge, a story of loss, but never a story of defeat. Because when adversity arrives, the true strength of a people is revealed, not in standing alone, but in rising together. Every helping hand, every shared idea, every act of kindness builds something far greater than buildings. It builds resilient communities. Resilience is more than recovery. It is innovation. It is preparation. It is believing that tomorrow can be even better than today. Together, we inspire hope. We strengthen livelihoods. We protect our heritage. We shape our future. Together, we are unstoppable. One people, one purpose, one resilient future.